Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have washing machine and sometimes your door is a lock. You start the washing machine and switch off and turn it on again, but still the washing machine door is not able to open. So such scenario, how to open washing machine door, it's very simple process. So now let's start on demonstration. So now this is a washing machine and I want to show you if your washing machine door is a lock. So how to open this door if sometimes by mistakenly door is a lock. So currently I am able to open this door, but sometimes our door is by default locked. So that condition we can very easily open this door. It's very easy. Such kind of outlet is available of each and every washing machine. So you just simply open it here, and here the closest of body, one of the key button is available. You just simply press here in the downside and then you can very easily open the door. Even you can listen the noise if you after you pressing the downside. So this is a very simple way to open washing machine if the door is locked. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.